If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade I have going on the USD JPY pair here. Just trading the 5-minute contracts for this position. Got in at $66.50 per contract. Just one small position here, just to show you the power of trading these slightly in the money positions with a lot of confluence going on to get you into these perfect storm trading scenarios. I may actually look to take profit here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take profits here at $90.50. Okay, so it did go back down a little bit, but it should trigger soon. And then I'll take you over to the chart and show you what led me to get into this position here. There we go. Fantastic, guys. So it's even still rising now at 91. A fantastic short-term position. Let me take you over to the chart and show you what's going on. And as you can see, there was still plenty of time left on expiration as well. You can see exactly why I decided to take profits there, and I will go ahead and highlight that in case this is one of your first videos of mine that you are seeing. But as you can see here earlier, just leading up to my entry, we had this breakthrough on the center Bollinger Band. At first, it was looking to be a false break, a resistance play. However, we had this bearish resistance here off the support, so the old resistance became a new support due to this bearish candle here just bouncing back off the center Bollinger Band and maintaining above. So then we had, yeah, you can see now, so perfect time to take profits. Let's actually look at this. So it is starting to test back with the last 30 seconds. I would rather take most of the profit and not have to worry about that unnecessary stress towards expiration. But you can see why I chose this strike. We had a previous resistance again became a new support. So we had two breaks of previous short-term resistance areas, and you could see the magnitude of the bullish volume heading into this play. So back here we had lacking bullish volume. There was a strong bearish trend, but you can see the bullish volume just absolutely picks up here and the momentum is heavy. Once I got up here towards the upper Bollinger Band here, right in this zone, that is when I decided to take profits, and that is what you saw here, and I'll show you exactly why. We actually started to see a drop of the bullish volume here, so we started to experience what is known as volume divergence here. As the trend was continuing up, like I said, we had that strong bearish trend earlier. Then once we saw the trend reversal, we saw the strong bearish trend coming in. Once we see the break above this resistance level here, that is when the volume divergence starts to pick up more so. And then once we hit the upper Bollinger Band, that is when things are starting to look like, hey, we should take profits early and look at a potential re-entry later. That is exactly what I did here. We went ahead and took profits there, only leaving about $10 on the table for that trade. Our total trade still would have won, but look how close it came to the strike. That easily could have been another retest, and just being off by 10 to 20 seconds make all the difference in these 5-minute binaries. So you definitely don't want to leave caution to the wind when it's unnecessary. So that's what led me to get into the position, was the double break here of these short-term resistance areas. And once we maintained above this strike for a candle, decided to get in on the buy position. But as that bullish divergence continued on the volume here, still well above the 50, but once we started to see that divergence start to play out more so as the trade continued, and the closer we got to that upper Bollinger Band, I knew we needed to take profit soon. So I went ahead and did so. So I hope you gathered some insightful knowledge to this video. Be sure to check out the resources in the description below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out the channel and watch more. And I'll catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.